and welcome back to the channel of Qontrac Construction and Civil Engineering Limited. My name is Engineer Tony Mutua, as usual, and I want to welcome you to Chitukutwe. This particular project is very interesting, and those of you who have picked up interest in precast construction, this is an example that you can pick up. So allow me to invite you to come and walk through. Thank you so much. So we are coming in from the sitting room or the sitting area, together with the dining and the kitchen. If you're a visitor in this house, then this would be your room. Now it is a self-contained guest wing. That means its bathroom is locked right over here. And as usual, let me throw more light about our concrete wall panels. After we have erected them, these lines that you are seeing, we are going to fill them up with grout, smoothen this. That work will be done by the painter, and we can still paint. On the ceiling, we are going to do plastering so that we smoothen it, and then after that, the painter can paint. Now, most people have been inquiring about plumbing and the electricals in the precast when we are using precast. Now, we have always showed you that our precast walls have hollow spaces inside. If we can see from here, these hollow spaces is where we pass the electricals, the conduits, and the plumbing work. And as you can see over here, here is what we are having a socket and a double socket and a switch as you enter into this guest wing. Now, what happens is where we want a socket or a switch, we cut there and then fix the MK. Now, the conduit passes through the the holes and come and meets the MK. So when we are doing electricals, we simply cut. You're going to see the same thing here. We simply cut there, put an MK, and then put the conduit through the hole. So that's what happens when we are doing electricals. Same thing here, we cut, put the MK and the conduits. Now, these conduits will run through to the slab, and if there is a wall seated above, they will still continue up to the next floor. Now, same thing happens when it comes to plumbing. Plumbing, we still, if I can use this as an example, we still have pass the pipes in those holes and then cut where it's going to come out from. So here we are having a wash hand basin. Sorry about it being untidy, but remember also we are going to tile this bathroom, so you won't see any of that. Yeah, so this is a wash hand basin. We are having a toilet over here and then a shower at the extreme end. And this is about it for the guest wing. That's a very big window to give you enough light while you are taking your shower. Right, let us go this side. So there's something interesting that is at the top of the slab, and I want to draw your attention to this particular section of the slab. This is our precast slab, which we use T-beams and then the blocks to infill. Now, as you can see, it's all flat. We do not have any props that is holding it. We simply lay the beams on top and then fill in the blocks, and then after that, we cast the concrete cover. Now, when we go on top, I'm going to show you something that will indicate how strong our slabs really are. Now, let's get back to touring the house. So this is the staircases. We are going to have a toilet below here, the staircases. We're going to have a toilet for the visitors. And these staircases are going to lead you on the first floor. So when we go on the first floor, if you would kindly follow me. Still a bit messy up here, but we can use it to do our explanation. So we're here, we're on the first floor. The thing I wanted to show you about the strength of our slabs. You see all these concrete wall panels? We have about 5 tons which we have put on this slab. And these 5 tons are being held by the slab. That is really, really heavy. That is about 5,000 kilograms that we are talking about. So up here, we have so far done this half of the house. And this half of the house, we have the master bedroom, which is here, very spacious. So the master bedroom has an access to the balcony. So when you're in the master bedroom, you have an access to the balcony, which moves around to the other side of the bedroom. And then we are going to have its bathroom, walk-in closet, and bathroom and walk-in closet in this section of the house. And this particular client will have a view, because we're going to have an open window here. We'll have a view of whatever is happening. If they are showering, you can do the imagination. Then the next room is the family room, which is here. This is about complete. The family room is going to have a chilling area for the family, but also the TV section. And it will have a large door over there with still a balcony which looks over. Now, we have so far put up this section on this first floor. Now, when the cameras come in next time, we are going to give you a tour of the whole house. And I think we shall also be able to do a video on finishing, how we really finish these precast walls and precast slab, and then you see the finishing once we are done with painting. But for now, I want to say thank you so much for those of you who are following us. I want to say thank you for those of you who are subscribing, and those of you who are giving us the support that we really need. Now, when it comes to construction, if you're looking for something which is cheaper, which is time-saving, then you have to consider the precast construction. And you have to look no any other place apart from Qontrac Construction and Civil Engineering Limited. Till next time, God bless you.